I sound small when I can't stop coughing.
Your kid is coughing? Try this remedy. Get yourself a lime and some honey. And that is all we need for this remedy. Let's go.
I'm small, sharp, and impossible to ignore. But I'm the burst of acidity and freshness that wakes up every bite and makes bland food come alive.
I move slow and shine soft, but I'm the natural sweetness that soothes your throat, fuels your body, and heals more than sugar ever could.
Let's grill the lime for about 5 minutes or until brown. Now we will squeeze the lime, mix it with 1 tablespoon of honey, and there you go, 1 serving of cough remedy for your kids. Give it twice a day or as needed. It will only take you a moment to click that like and subscribe button. A lot of thanks.